Bunge iyo irakoretwo yacokerera cikaro thutha wa munene wa aria aige bunge-ini iyo niwe Andrew Musakwa kwiguithia MCA acio macokerere ndereti iria yacungiriirie speaker wao kurugamia mawira mothe bunge-ini iyo.
This is a matter of ourselves. We cannot have committee meetings. We cannot have retreats. We cannot have anything, Mr. Speaker, without that committee.
Kuringana na speaker wa bunge iyo Kariuki Mate, kwaga gwa kamiti iyo ya gubanga wira no undu umwe na kuga ati bunge iyo ndingiruta wira o wothe.
Pursuant to the professional standing order number 4728, this assembly receives its decision of 9 February 2016 on the motion for the nomination of members to the House Rules, Privileges and Business Committee.
Munini wa speaker nake ni ataririe kigiririko giake kuona ati haro cia MCAs no cirathie na mbere o riria arwaru marakua thibitari-ini ya Embu kumana na aruti a wira kuiga miro yao thi gwa kahinda ga ciumia igiri riu.
As we have said, it's not about the gospel now. They are already out in the street, so it's not about the gospel now which was there. Now actually today they are actually despite and they are outside there on the road with the street.
MCAs Gari Makenge na murunawe Joseph Mwaniki maugete he bata aruna ao maikare thi na marie hatari kwihura githuri nigetha bunge iyo itungatire muingi.
It's not about our egos. It's not about our principles. It's about the business which we were called to do here.
Speaker wa bunge iyo agiaga gwita gikaro kia mwanya, bunge iyo yahota gugacokereria o mweri wa kanana kuringana na mawatho ma katiba. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Inooro TV, njitagwo Njuguna Wang'ang'a.